VJet. See how we go, huh? Left, up, right, up, down. Medium rates. Right, let's do this. Right, let's reset the timer.
Switch warning. Throttle disabled. Elevator low. Throttle active. It glides. Yeah, it glides pretty nice. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Alright, she glides pretty well. Whew. Can we get her back? I just checked the voltage after a 5-minute flight. I was pretty conservative because I wasn't sure how to go landing, but it seemed to land alright, even though I sort of overshoot it. Not bad. The battery has 43% left and a 3300 after a 5-minute flight time, so quite easily we can do at least 6 or 7 on the one pack, I would say, although I wasn't pushing it hard. So we can go for another flight. I've got another battery charging there. We'll see how we go. Alright.